So the issue we've been having with this is, as you can see, prizes get stuck in that, and we get a call saying that it's broken, and it's not. So what I've done to fix that is here's a new claw, and I have 3D printed little jaws. So what happens is this will close, and most of the time it only gets one toy, whereas this will get 2 to 3 virtually every time. And I mean, ultimately you don't want to give out too many prizes, so we're gonna put this on, and then I sell these as well. So there's a knot there. Well then, never done this before. So how does this work?
So he realized that he could just replace the claw onto the same rope, so you're just gonna put it back on.
Well, also the new rope won't fit in this, I don't know, guide, pulley, I don't think. No. So it won't fit anyways, so.
Oh my god.
Well, that's staying there for the rest of eternity.
You suck. Someone's gonna win a screw. Don't drop that one. I'm assuming there's another screw on the other one.
Yeah, but I'm gonna need this for something.
It's very sanitary.
Oh, you tell me, my dear, how I should get this off.
What?
How do you get the zip tie out now? Clearly I gotta undo that too. Let's not drop any more screws.
I think my phone's gonna die.
Huh?
I feel like this phone's gonna die. Wow. You're great.
All I have is a knife. And
Please be careful.
probably gonna fuck that up. Fuck. The red goes to the top, not that it matters, but. I only did it with one knot because it's better. It's a double 8 knot. This is why I'm a heavy duty mechanic. I'm gonna drop that if I use my gimped end.
Too tight.
Winner, 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 winner.
It's just so that it doesn't always do it.
So we just got home after installing the claw enclosures, is what we're calling them, on the Win Every Time crane that we placed. As you guys saw there, it works a lot better than it used to. It used to grab like 2 to 3 prizes every time, sometimes 4, and it was going through way too many prizes, and we weren't making money at it. So now you get 1 prize at a time fairly consistently. I think we tried it 35 times, and 34 of the 35 times you got 1 prize, and then 1 time it gave out 3 prizes. So it's substantially better than it was, and hopefully it still does pretty good. We will see. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day.